In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the bottom right corner. If you don't have it, don't worry, just click on this gear at the top of your keyboard to access Samsung keyboard settings. Once you do that, scroll, select voice input, and decide which voice input section you wanna apply by clicking on it. Let's start with Samsung. Click on it, go back, tap on microphone icon and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, tap on the same microphone. Blue means it's on. Now, let's try Google One. It works similarly. Just click on it to apply it, go back, and tap on microphone located at the same bottom left corner. This time though, your keyboard will change. Click on your microphone and start typing. When you finished, pause. If you want to delete any text on the go, click on this button with an X. If pausing didn't work, you can always use this button to start or stop. To manage some available options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!